Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wall laser level that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level. The PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level is a versatile tool for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. With its one-switch operation, users can easily power on and off the 3 laser lines, projecting level lines onto surfaces for tasks like hanging pictures and mounting frames. The angle dial, equipped with LED lights, allows for easy angle reference in dark workspaces. This laser level projects accurate horizontal and vertical lines on any surface up to 30 feet, ensuring precise leveling with its built-in bubble vials. The bonus wall mount base provides hands-free marking and comes with 3 fixing options for different surfaces. Its compact design generates 90-degree angle lines, making it ideal for various tasks such as woodworking, shelf installation, and more. With its ease of use and reliable performance, the PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level is a valuable addition to any home renovation toolkit. Moving on at number 4, we have the PREXISO 2-in-1 Laser Level Spirit Level with Light. The PREXISO 2-in-1 Laser Level Spirit Level is a versatile tool designed for construction, picture hanging, wall writing, painting, and home renovation. It features a bright red laser alignment point and leveling line, allowing for precise leveling up to 100 ft horizontally and 30 ft vertically. The laser can also be used with the help of the built-in spirit level magnet, making it easy to align plumb. The 12-inch spirit level is made of a lightweight aluminum frame, reducing hand fatigue during use. Additionally, the tool is equipped with LED lights for improved visibility in dark workspaces. The 2-in-1 laser spirit level is anti-shock and magnetic, with over-molded rubber end caps and magnetized surfaces for attachment to iron surfaces. It is an ideal tool for various applications like decoration, construction, and home furnishings. At number 3, we have the RockSeed Laser Level. The Laser Level by RockSeed is a versatile tool that offers both self-leveling and manual mode options. It projects a red cross line at a wide angle of 110 degrees, ensuring high visibility and accuracy. With a high protection grade of IP54, this laser level is both shock-resistant and waterproof, making it ideal for construction site work. The flexible mounting design allows it to be easily attached to a tripod or metal surface using a magnetic bracket. The package includes a laser level tool, a canvas carry case, batteries, and an instruction manual. Overall, this laser level is a reliable and durable choice for various leveling tasks. At number 2, we have the PREXISO 360 degrees Laser Level. The PREXISO 360 degrees Laser Level is a versatile tool that offers accurate and efficient leveling for various applications. With its 360 degrees green laser source and 3 projecting modes, it can easily project bright horizontal, vertical, and cross lines onto flat surfaces. The green laser is 3 times brighter than red laser, providing maximum visibility up to 100 feet with high accuracy. This laser level is suitable for tasks such as construction, tiling, home renovation, and more. It features self-leveling and manual modes, allowing for flexibility in different situations. The bonus adjustable frame green glasses enhance the visibility of the laser line, while the included tripod assists in positioning the laser for maximum accuracy. Despite a few minor drawbacks, this laser level proves to be a reliable and user-friendly tool. And finally at number 1, we have the Multipurpose Laser Level with measure tape and ruler base. The Laser Level Line Tool is a versatile 4-in-1 multi-purpose tool perfect for picture hanging and home renovation projects. With 2 laser-emitting heads and 3 leveling bubbles, it is easy to use and provides accurate measurements. The tool also includes a 10 feet, 3M measuring tape ruler and a 6.7 inches, 17 centimeters ruler for added convenience. It operates on a backup battery and comes with regular AAA batteries. The laser level features 3 modes: horizontal, vertical, and cross laser line. The tool is compact and easy to carry, making it suitable for various DIY projects. However, it is a bit bulky and lacks magnetic properties. The laser brightness may also be insufficient for outdoor use. Nevertheless, it is a reliable tool with a solid build and the seller offers excellent customer support.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.